Y'all gonna be stars. This is gonna be on YouTube instantly, within minutes.
Yep, gotcha. I'm here and I'm letting you know that these are the tree surgeons and they're knocking down the trees. And this is what they do for a living. This is the real deal right here. And I'm just letting y'all know this is what they do for a living. It looks like a jungle right now, but in a few minutes it will be dissolved. It's a lot of work, but you know what? They're doing it. And this is me right here letting you know everything. If you want your tree removed, Black River Tree Removal. It looks like a jungle, but don't let it deceive you. It's just a whole bunch of trees going down.